faggots? It's good to know you guys are still on the fucking internet and not out there trying to get no fucking pussy. Bitches. Nothing but bitches. All I see around me, bitch dudes, bitches, bitches. Anyways, I'm Style here again to teach you something cool, cause you don't know shit. Today, we're gonna show you how to be a man a little bit, cause you will never be a man. So, lesson 1, how to burp like a man. Me, man, I know how to burp. This is how. Yeah. Can't do that, can you? I didn't think so. Yeah. Let's get another beat over here.